How do you actually achieve your goals? Every year, millions of people set goals. They want better grades, a better body, more money, or a better life. But after a few weeks, most of those goals disappear. Not because people are lazy, but because they focus on goals instead of systems. Think about two people who want to get fit. The first person says, I want to lose 20 pounds. The second person says, I will walk for 30 minutes every day. Who is more likely to succeed? The second person. Because goals don't change your life, systems do. If your goal is to read more books, focus on reading 10 pages every day. If your goal is to make money, focus on learning a valuable skill every day. If your goal is to get fit, focus on showing up consistently. The second step is making your goals clear. Many people say, I want to be successful. But what does that mean? A vague goal creates vague results. Instead, say, I will study for 1 hour every day at 6 p.m. The clearer the target, the easier it becomes to hit. The third step is starting small. Most people try to change their entire life overnight. They create huge plans, stay motivated for a few days, and then quit. Small habits work better. Read 5 pages, exercise for 10 minutes, learn a skill for 20 minutes. Small actions repeated daily create massive results. The fourth step is removing distractions. Imagine you want to read a book, but your phone is beside you. Your attention will disappear. Make good habits easy and bad habits difficult. Keep your book on your desk. Keep distractions away. Design your environment for success. The fifth step is tracking your progress. What gets measured gets improved. Use a notebook, calendar, or habit tracker. Every day you complete your habit, mark it down. Progress creates motivation. The sixth step is expecting setbacks. Most people quit after one bad day. They miss one workout and give up. They skip one study session and stop completely. Successful people don't expect perfection. They simply get back on track quickly. Never miss twice. And finally, understand the difference between interest and commitment. When you're interested, you work when it's convenient. When you're committed, you work even when you don't feel like it. That's where real progress happens. So here's the roadmap. Choose one clear goal. Build a simple daily system. Start small. Remove distractions. Track your progress. Stay committed. Do that long enough and success becomes almost unavoidable, because achieving your goals isn't about luck or talent. It's about doing the right things consistently until your results catch up with your effort. Achieving goals are actually easy